This video is going to cover the seasonal min-max levels. So we're going to start by going to our inventory. We're going to bring up our tortilla chip dispenser, and by looking at the details, this here says that we would like a minimum of 2 on hand and a maximum on 5. So when we use our order management, it uses these numbers to calculate how much we should order. But we can override these numbers by utilizing our seasonal min-maxes. So by going to the stock manager and then going to our seasonal levels, as you can see here, I've set up multiple groupings. I chose spring, summer, fall, and winter. And I tell it the month that it's going to start, and the day, and the end month, and the day, and then what my minimum is going to be during any of these periods, my maximum and my minimum orders from my manufacturer. So this will always give you the ability to set these up so it will ignore the default min-maxes and use the seasonal levels in place.